having a full storefront, so we're excited to have you here, adding to our community and hopefully adding to our chamber as well. I put a little plug in for that. And we're looking forward to the work you do with the river and with different architecture and landscape around here. I think it can just enhance our community. Nancy?
Okay, so everybody, this is Erin Root. Would you like to say something?
Were you going to describe what I do, or was I?
Well, you were doing so much better.
Okay. So I have started Take Root Design Studio, hopefully in collaboration with other advocates and designers, both architectural and landscape architectural designers. And also started an exhibition space that is a space that will exhibit analysis and research focusing on the environment. And so then really looking at soil quality, water quality, and how that impacts us and the surrounding environment.
And then on this side we have James River Association, and not Amber. Amber's right here. Amber, Bill, Rob, and Anne Marie.
Yep.
So now you get to say something. It started with the river rats.
Oh man, okay. I'm not prepared for this. It's gonna be a long, drawn-out story. What year was that?
2012.
2012. That was my second time to Scottsville. The first time I went tubing, and it was a little thing in my. I was like, oh, it's a pretty cool little town. And then 2012, we came here with the river rats training, and most of our trainings had maybe 5 or 10, 15 people show up. We come to Scottsville and there's like 35 people here for the training, and we were like, what in the world? It was like, we heard this was happening, we thought we had to be here, but I was like, wow, this is a town that really loves the James and wants to chip in. It was really awesome. And in that time, we've done several projects here along Meat Creek, and me and Nancy have joked for years about having a space here, and this town personally has taught me a ton about what community is and how powerful, when you have such a strong community right next to the river, what that can do. It's just a really special place for that. So I gave the little backstory, but James River itself, we're going to be doing some work out of this little spot to plant a ton of riparian buffers over the next couple years. Basically streamside forests to really help protect water quality in the James. It's going to be our focus out of here. So we're excited. Anything to add about the James River Association in general?
No, I've said to a number of people today that I think Scottsville is one of the staff's favorite places to come, and so it's thrilling to actually have an office here now. And we're even more thrilled to have Anne-Marie leading the charge and restoring local streams that will make the James River healthy. So
Yeah.
couldn't be happier.
Yeah.
And I am completely thrilled that you're here and that Aaron, you're here. And I want everybody to know that this partnership started at Baines Coffee Shop.
Thanks to Nancy.
So now everybody kind of grab on, if you can,
Okay.
onto the scissors. Come on, help me
Oh,
cut.